Hello, welcome to Pop Culture and Technology channel. In this video I present to you the most interesting announcements, in my opinion, from Computex 2023. Realtek company showed running demos of Wi-Fi 7 and USB 4 hub controller. Test setup with newest chipset of Wi-Fi 7 was capable of delivering between Wi-Pod 7 and Y.9 gigabits, which is almost twice as fast as Wi-Fi 6, using a similar antenna setup. The RTL8922IE has a claimed maximum speed of 2.8 gigabits when connected to the 5 GHz and 6 GHz band. Scheduled launch time is in Q3 or Q4 of 2024. Realtek was also showing its RTS 5490 hub router controller at Computex. The RTS 5490 supports speeds up to 40 gigabits. It's also backward compatible with Thunderbolt 3 and USB 3.2 Gen 2x2, as well as slower USB standards. It also supports the USB Power Delivery 3.1 standard and can deliver up to 240 watts to a connected laptop. ASUS showed two interesting models of GPUs. First, without any external power connector. Second, newest flagship model. Regarding the first GPU, ASUS removed the connector from the GPU and placed the power source as an extra bus connector on their motherboard. This experiment is called GeForce RTX 3070 Megalodon. Alongside, they presented new model of motherboard Tough Gaming Z790 BTF with cable connector placed on the backside of the board. These two products represents future concept of PC without any cable with visible in computer case. Newest flagship ROG Matrix RTX 4090 is the company top-end GPU money can buy. The card features industry highest factory overclocks for an RTX 4090 and has its power limit set squarely at 600 watts. The card also features the strongest VRM solution ever by ASUS for graphic cards. Also, it's a first GPU that incorporates liquid metal technology and it's coming with 5 years warranty. MSI and other leading motherboard vendors like ASRock and Gigabyte showed at Computex refreshed Z790 motherboards for upcoming Raptor like refresh CPUs. Newest lineup of MSI motherboards supports Wi-Fi 7 and 5 gigabits Ethernet standard and has some innovations like USB 3.2 for the front panel with 60 watts power delivery capability, screwless M.2 SSD installation and Gen 5 NVMe slot. MSI, same as ASUS, demonstrated its inverted motherboard concept called Project Zero and showed new GPUs cooling solutions, DynaVC and Fusion Chill AIO. DynaVC is air-based cooling solution that uses three-dimensional vapor chamber base plate. On the other hand, Fusion Chill is all-in-one liquid cooling solution that fully integrated onto the card. Corsair announced new flagship memory line, Dominator Titanium and new IQ Link smart component ecosystem. Dominators comes with fresh new design and completely new feature. Fully replaceable top bars allowing owners to customize their memory for specific aesthetic. Dominator Titanium will launch with phenomenal speed at up to 8000 MTs and capacities up to 192 gigabits with CAC latencies as low as 30 on some SKUs. Memory will be available for both Intel and AMD platforms in July 2023. New IQ Link, on the other hand, changed the way experienced PC builders and newcomers alike will create their next PC, implementing patent-pending single-cable technology to reduce the time it takes to build and set up and dramatically reducing cable management. Also, every individual IQ link has built-in microcontroller component and acts as a brain that communicates with the system hub. Alongside Corsair announced new models of fans QX120 and QX140 RGB, which are the world's first fully digitally controlled fans. The first wave of IQ Link products launching in June 2023. Deepcool at Computex 2023 presented new lineup of his products: CPU air coolers, AIOs coolers, and PC cases. They announced a wide range of CPU air coolers with completely new design. Top-end air cooler Assassin 4 comes with combination of 120mm and 140mm fans and cooling capacity comparable to that of some mid-range all-in-one liquid coolers around the 200 watts mark. Expect that Deepcool showed off giant AIO cooler called LT820. It has three 140mm radiator and the originally designed infinity mirrored pump cap. Also, it uses 4th gen Deepcool pump block system and Deepcool's anti-leak tech. At the 2023 Computex, Deepcool also showed off the Morpheus, a highly flexible ATX full tower case that can be internally reconfigured between a special single chamber layout and the dual chamber that serves up room for additional liquid cooling gear. Lion Lee presented its newest AIO coolers Galahad 2 Trinity and Unifans. The newest Galahad AIOs comes with three different versions: Trinity, Trinity SL Infinity, and Trinity Performance. The last one comes with 28mm thick high-performance SCP fans, a 32mm thick radiator with a unique double wave fin design, and a 4200 RPM pump. It's set to launch in June. The company also updated its fan lineup with second generation of Unifan design. It includes two models, Unifan TL and Unifan TL LCD. The Unifan TL features an infinity mirror mounted on the side for the better looks and has an RGB capability. On the Unifan TL LCD, users can play MP4s, GIFs, images, and display system information. Lastly, at Computex 2023, Noctua showed next generation NHD15 CPU cooler. The new flagship air cooler comes with complete design overhaul, including its two large fin stacks that are designed not to impede components around the CPU socket, such as elaborate VRM or SSD heatsink. The fin stacks are denser, with a reduced gap between fins of 1.6mm, which translates to 20% more surface area for heat dissipation. The company plans to launch this cooler sometime in Q2 2024. Thanks for watching and see you later.